The question, then response.
A message to William Ruto and his illegitimate regime. We are aware that you have unleashed Gachagua to plan evil for the leaders of the mountain region. We are aware of your plans, and we want to warn you and tell the world that if anything happens to the leaders from the mountain or their families, it will be on you. I also hasten to add, the blood of the protesters who were killed with live bullets is upon you. We want to ask you to cease waging warfare against your people when they exercise their constitutional rights. We want to remind the armed people, the police, that what we are doing is for you as well. We know you are hurting in your pockets, just like all Kenyans. When we seek a better Kenya for all, it includes you. Avoid being used to wage war on the people. And remember, when you do that, as our leader has said, we will come for you, because we are going to prosecute those who contravene the law. Thank you.
So wanted to